welcome to my channel. I'm Army Truck Tom. This guy over there, here, that's Army Truck Odin. For the people, if you watched some videos of me before, you can remember this. Yeah. Well, so we've ruined a couple of things, like the clutch, the axles, apparently the gearbox,
the starter
engine. Yeah, that was an expensive mistake, but luckily we've got some parts.
And we gotta show them.
Yes.
So, we got a little box.
Let's see.
First thing, it's not the most special part.
Yeah, we needed this before because of well, there was a problem with the old one. This did not happen during our little vacation out. This let's see here.
Just needed replacement anyway.
I have actually no idea what this is called in English. Bij ons heet dat gewoon een vlotter. Waarschijnlijk. Zo.
Niet.
Mooi hè?
Nice.
Isn't it pretty?
Nice.
It looks better, right? A little bit. New, old, just so you know, new, old.
They work a little bit different, though. This one is with a gearing. The old one is electric.
Yeah, this is definitely replica. This is non-original.
But hey,
if it works, it works. Ooh, that's pretty.
Small box first.
Smallest box first. Look at this. Isn't it pretty? Oh, that's nice.
Nice.
Oh wait, no, you guys want to see it too, right? This is the new whatchamacallit.
This is the clutch pressure bearing, if I'm not mistaken. It's the thing that pushes the clutch group.
And it is a bearing.
It's a bearing, so I think it's
bearing.
Box. We'll show them the other one.
Yeah, we'll do a side-by-side comparison in a moment.
When we have a little bit more room.
Yeah. For the Dutch people, koppelingslager. The English viewers might actually learn a couple of Dutch words here. That smells old. Look at this, isn't it? Oh, that's so pretty.
Is there a year on that, or?
That's new old stock, ladies and gentlemen. This was produced in 1976. That's been a long shelf time here. That's a long shelf time. I think that's the clutch plate. Probably. Hopefully.
I think that's the... No, that's the...
That's the clutch plate and that is the pressure group.
Yeah, you're right.
Let's see, let's have some room. Hey! Eat that sheep.
Is there a gear date on this? No, probably not.
That's also... That's really cool. I really love those new old stock things because...
Yeah, this is very nice.
Yeah. So we've seen this, right? That's the old one. Let's see, is it in view like there? It's a bit rusty. Just a tad rusty. It doesn't even have a float on it.
This is the old pressure bearing. That's how it's fucking called. Pressure bearing. It's... I have to put a little...
Maybe if you put it...
It's... Also.
Yeah, that's not supposed to happen. You're not supposed to be doing that.
Oh.
Also,
Did I screw it up now?
Also, it doesn't. It's not supposed to be completely filled with sand. That's the problem. Bearings don't usually work with sand. They need grease, not sand. But here's a new one. Oh, doesn't it look pretty? I mean, oh. People running, that's no sound at all. Old. That's yeah. But now.
This one first or this one first?
Let's do that one first because this one's just way too pretty. It's maybe a little bit here, over here, so yeah. That's dangerous. Ooh. Wow.
So shiny.
Shiny and chrome.
Well, not chrome.
Yeah, no.
It's shiny.
It's really shiny.
Nice springs.
You know what really stands out here is that there is no sand inside.
Yeah.
Is there a date on there somewhere? I think there's the 1988.
2004. Not sure.
Normally, all Mercedes parts and a lot of army parts have dates on them. I don't know why, but I think the army just likes old stuff. They just want to know how old their stuff is.
Not sure. Not sure what the date on this is supposed to be.
But it's, oh, look at that. That's really great, right? That's heavy also, by the way.
This is the old one. Doesn't look that bad, but as you've seen in the video at the front, it's been sanded by sand. Literally.
Lots of sand.
You can feel it here.
Yeah, that's gone. And if you, I don't know if you can see it on camera, but inside here there's just literally sand all over the place.
What's supposed to be there?
Also, the springs are just full of sand and grime and dirt. So this one is just yeeted.
This one is nice and smooth here also.
It's old. It's oh, whoa, wait, there's something here.
That's just an oil paper.
Paper anti-corrosion.
Yeah, oil paper.
We'll just put this underneath the seat, and the Unimog is also anti-corrosion proof.
I need to go.
And now,
this is the old clutch.
yeah,
It's
not much clutchy.
no, it was also very worn. Not sure if you can see that. Like it doesn't, from a distance, doesn't look like it, but the copper which holds the blocks, they're very close together.
Also, it's been tearing away at some point.
Yeah, I think it may be installed the wrong way. We're not sure.
And also, just a tad little bit of sand.
Because if a little bit of sand wasn't enough. So,
here we go.
go ahead.
No, I've already done this before on the other Unimog because, well, you know.
September 76.
Yes.
It's even vacuum sealed still.
Yeah. This one is. This is really Deutsche Gründlichkeit.
I don't know where to open it.
I think you can just, if you just cut here, we can kind of save the packaging because Doesn't it look awesome? It's probably older than your mother. At least it's older than me. Let's see. I'm way to look at it. Shiny and chrome interior. Oh. I give that smell an 8+. More boxes to unbox.
It's a box in a box.
It's a box in a vacuum seal.
Well, you can do this one then.
Okay, yay. Let's see. Everything is merging. Oh.
More anti-corrosion paper.
Oh.
Nice.
Ooh, that's so. Oh, you wanted to see too, right? I think, probably. Look at this. That's stuck on there. That's more like it. That's a lot thicker.
Yeah.
That's like 2 millimeters, and that's like 1 micrometer. That's a micron. This is.
It's not. Yeah.
It's thicker. This really. It just looks a lot nicer, doesn't it? I mean. Yeah, we'll be installing this one. Also, stickers.
Anything important?
It's made in 1861. Oh no, I think that's.
I think that's a part number.
I think so too. I hope so.
I'd be surprised if they knew how to make them. Then.
Anyway,
thank you.
We'll be having a beer. You can watch us install this stuff later. Bye bye.